Today we are trying out these in-ear headphones, which is attached to the Cardo headphones. We will hear the music and intercom through this, and because it's in-ear, it is supposed to help in quieting down wind noise from the helmet. In the highway, in-ear headphones sound so much better, even better than the Cardo's JBL speakers. Because it's inside your ear, you don't have to power it so much. This means minimum volume on your Cardo, and even adjust the iPhone's volume lower, saving you Cardo's battery. And wind noise, it's about 75% as good as earplugs. So far so good. Thumbs up.